As tax season is coming up, there's some important documents that you're going to need to collect. Now, most individuals need the same documents. These are what I would say are the really common documents. You might have some additional ones that are not on this list, but the most common ones are going to be your W-2s. Now, your W-2s, of course, is coming from your employer, and this is how much money you make. Then you're going to be looking at things like your 1099s. 1099s are going to come from investment accounts. It's going to be your interest and dividends on your banking and savings accounts. And then we want to look at things like mortgage interest. Now, that will come from your bank of whoever owns your loan, but that is a really big one for most individuals. A couple of them that are coming maybe from your employer, maybe from a bank, your HSA contributions and distributions. You're going to want to have both sides of those. Medically, you're going to want to make sure you prove that you have medical coverage, and if you have a lot of medical expenses over 7.5%, you're going to want to collect those receipts as well. Now, in some states, you're going to pay state income tax, and in other ones you're not, but you're also going to want to collect those state real estate taxes that you have. So if you're paying property taxes, real estate taxes, you're going to want to make sure you have those. And you're also going to want to look at an education category. Now, depending on your state, you might be able to deduct 529 contributions, but again, if you're taking money out of 529s, you'll want to have those. And then in other areas of education, if you yourself are going to school or one of your children, you will have education expenses accordingly with those as well. Those are the big ticket items, but there's a whole bunch of other items. So if you have a special circumstance, if you're a business owner, you want to make sure that you get with your CPA or financial advisor to go over your specific situation. If you do not have a financial advisor, I'd recommend you look at one of our Carson Wealth advisors. They have plenty of expertise to help you figure out what documents you need and help you do planning to make sure you're minimizing your taxes going forward. And that's today's Financial Flash.